Good morning. My name is Caterine Garzón. My daily routine using the adverbs or frequency. I usually get up at 5 o'clock, get out of bed, and then take a shower. After the shower, I usually do like 16 push-ups and then have a cup of coffee and sometimes cereal or a glass of orange juice. And then wave to work. I usually leave home at 6 o'clock. Arrive at work around 6:13 o'clock. I have 5 classes in the morning and I always go to lunch with my classmates. I give written forming classes in the afternoon. Sometimes I have a cup of coffee and finish teaching at 5 o'clock. I walk home for 15 minutes or more and arrive around 5:15 o'clock. I eat some snacks and sometimes I take a nap for about 20 minutes. I check social networks, watch the news, and have lunch with my family. So I decide if I have to prepare some things for tomorrow. Exercise or watch a movie or TV show. Bye bye. Thank you.